Hello friends, in this video we are going to set up a website for home tech accessories or auto parts accessories, and we are going to use a very dedicated WordPress theme, WooCommerce theme called Flozen, and it can be bought at themeforest.net through the video description link. But yes, before taking the buying decision, you need to watch this complete video so that you may understand everything about the theme, and we are going to set up a demo website using this theme, and we shall discuss all the steps, all the options for creating a lovely website using this theme during the video. So I'm ready with this core and press installation of WordPress, which is using the default theme as of now, and I'm going to install the Flozen WordPress theme that gives 6 pre-made website options, so you can choose any of these layouts, and there are internal pages as well. So the beauty of this theme is this is a AJAX WordPress theme, and it is also available in RTL option, and it well supports the Docker multi-vendors, the WC vendors, and the WC marketplace. So you can even plan a website for a multi-vendor facility. So okay, so theme actually was introduced 6 years ago, and the regular updates for this theme is also going on time to time. However, as of now, it has got a very less number of sales, but let us see how it works for our installation and how it can be fruitful for our target website. So these are some auto accessories layout, 3 layouts, and these 3 layouts for the home tech accessories, 6 layouts. Okay. So I got the theme pack. In the theme pack, I have this installable theme file. The child theme is also included. 2 revolution sliders we can directly use, and the documentation part. So we are going to use this frozen theme.zip file for our installation. Okay. So the installation can be simple, but yes, you need to follow the exact steps. So it is nothing like technical thing, but yes, uh, and when you are creating a website using WordPress, you don't need any technical knowledge, specific technical knowledge. However, basic operations are required, of course, when you are creating a website. So it takes hardly few seconds in installing theme, and we can proceed further. So let us check the theme details first. So Flozen is here after installation, and I'm using the latest version. So it is always important to use the latest version of theme, and you can check the details here. And 1.54.4 is out, and it got a recent update. So I'm using the latest, and you can only get the latest and authentic version at themeforest.net. You need to spend $59, and in this $59 you will get the quality check by Envato, the future updates for this theme, and 6 months support from the theme developer itself. So the theme developers are Nasha Themes. They are related to author at Envato Market. In addition to this, we are going to support you in every manner on the live chat with a mentor in completing your website. And I believe you know about the iCreate program, and you are already a subscriber to this channel. Let us proceed for activating the theme first. So it can be done here, and after activation, here is an alert that we need to install certain plugins in order to get the complete functionalities. Very less number of plugins. So this is another beauty of the theme. And the Frozen core, the core plugin, the WP Bakery is the page builder that has been used. WooCommerce, of course, here, and the contact from 7 and Evolution Tighter. Okay, right. So I'm going to select all 6 plugins, select install, click on apply. Okay, wonderful. So all plugins have been successfully installed. So it is important to install all plugins without any error. And this time we will activate all the installed plugins. Again, in a single click, it can be done. So I'm using the WordPress shared hosting plan, and it is cPanel based hosting plan. For hostings and domain, you can follow the video description links and go to the WP Themes website. You can select the great hosting providers there, and you can choose your hosting plan. Right. So all plugins has been activated, and now we can come back to the dashboard, And I can see some new navigations here that I'll definitely show you in this video itself. But yes, I can show the website now, how it looks with the plugin and all setup theme. So this is the layout, and of course we need to import the demo content to make any of these target website. I'm coming back to the dashboard. This is dashboard, and under appearance I have NASA themes option, where I can see there are settings, so theme options, and basically I'm looking for the demo content import option. Okay, so the demo content import option is available in the Flozen theme option itself, and here is it is, and we can simply click on import demo content, and it is giving a warning import. Okay, that is fine. So here it goes, and the demo import process is started. It is certainly going to take time depending upon your infrastructure that you are using, the internet speed. It is connected to developer server to bring all the stuffs at demo stuffs at your website, and it is going on. We should not disturb the process. The percentage is being displayed here on the top of the page. Progress bar shows 3% in just few seconds, so we need to wait until it reaches 200%. So it is going very fast, and 61, 65, 69, 73, 76, 80, 84, and 88, 92, 96, and 100. Demo data imported successfully. Please refresh your site and click save all changes in the sub theme options. That is fine, and it is wonderful. So we can simply save all the changes here, first of all. And okay, so it hardly took around 2 minutes for me in importing the demo content, and it was a very smooth import process. So yeah, I can now check my website, and okay, okay. So the images, original images had not been provided, but it does not matter. Ultimately, we are going to use our own image. And if we check the internal pages like home, let's go back to the pages, how many pages we have. So I can see we have 42 published pages that can be used for the website. These are the home pages, the home accessories. I'm going to open one. Okay, all great. And you might be wondering how you can import the slider. But yes, slider had been provided in the ref slider, slider 1 and 2. So whichever is applicable for you, and depending upon your selected layout, you can import the slider. Where to import? Okay, so this is the revolution slider. I'll show you one slider import, and manual import. Click to choose, and here is the ref slider. I am selecting one, and it is done. Okay, so here is slider 1, and we can further edit this slider. Okay, so there might be some issue in slider, but ultimately we have to upload our own slider and its content. Okay, it is fine, and we are good to go for customization options. So now, okay, so I'll open the things again. This is the okay Flozen. Now, I'll quickly show you all the options for customization. So in the header widget, we have headers that can be used. So we can create new headers. Similarly, we have footer builders. Footers are here. Portfolios, static blocks. I'll show you some static blocks like hotline and the top bar. brand banner products, like if it is being used, banner materials, and similarly some new things. Nothing like new. Okay, great. And if we check the theme options, basically, okay, under appearance, we can go to the theme options, NASA theme options, and here we can access most of the settings. And like general settings, we have width, size, the logo and fab icon, the header and the footer, the style and colors, fonts, breadcrumbs, then the product global settings, pop-ups and all. So you can access all these things, and wherever it's required, you can change the things. That is very simple, I think. You can do all these things. And for editing the content at the front end, like if you have selected this layout, you can simply edit the content using the WP Bakery page builder. So this is a widely known, easy to use page builder, and you can simply handle the text and images using the pencil icon and all the options. So and further, if you want to use the backend option, you can go to the backend editor, which is I feel more convenient. So this is the backend option, classic mode, and the front end options can be tweaked or the toggled. So it is very easy to use, and you'll be able to handle all the contents. At classic mode, the code, and in the backend editor, we have all the sections. Either you can add new sections or edit the existing ones. It is very simple again, and you can do all the thing at your own, I feel. And just in case, if you have any question, simply write in the comment or get in touch with the mentor here. It is more convenient, I believe. You can simply ask the question with the mentor, and our mentor is going to help you in completing your website. So what is next? You simply buy the theme through the link themeforest.net, and even you can get the hosting plans at WP Themes website. All the links have been given in the video description along with the uh, I create program link, and you can even explore other themes and plugins, hundreds of themes and plugins listed here in form of video, of course, and it is connected to this channel only. So you can compare things, choose your desired themes, and get all the benefits, like you can join the WP Success program and you can get the material kits. There are business solutions, so you can get all the ready websites with the help of developers and all. So it is all for you. Just explore the things and choose the correct thing first. So it is a good theme, of course. You can go for this, and there are other themes as well on the channel itself to choose and compare. So let us meet in the next video. I'm bringing more solutions, more resources for your dream WordPress website. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching. Thank you.